grammar of IPPOU. Nani nani IPPOU. The grammar nani nani IPPOU is mean more and more or continue to something. More and more or continue to something. And how to use in Japanese when you use the grammar of IPPOU, you can use with only the verb, but you should change the verb to be the dictionary form. For example, iku, kuru, something like this, right? For the verb in dictionary form. So just remember that use with the verb in dictionary form and end by IPPOU, which means more and more or continue to. So to make more understand about how to use, let's go to see some sample. For example, 最近この町の人口は減る一方だ。最近この町の人口は減る一方だ。Which means this town's population has been decreasing lately. This town's population has been decreasing lately. The next example. 日本に来る外国人の数は増える一方だ。日本に来る外国人の数は増える一方だ。日本に来る外国人の数は増える一方だ。Which means the number of foreigners coming to Japan continues to increase. The number of foreigners coming to Japan continues to increase. The next example. 交通事故は増える一方だ。交通事故は増える一方だ。Traffic accidents have been on the rise. Traffic accidents have been on the rise. The next example. 広告を出しているのにお客様は減る一方だ。広告を出しているのにお客様は減る一方だ。Which means, despite advertising, the number of customers is decreasing. Despite advertising, the number of customers is decreasing. For the first sentence, you see that 交通事故は増える一方だ。This means traffic accidents have been on the rise. This means the traffic accident increase continually, not stop, when we compare to the last year or many years ago. So we can use IPPOU. This means it's increasing continually, not stop. And for the second sentence, you see that 広告を出しているのにお客様は減る一方だ。This means you put advertising to Facebook or to radio, TV to advertise about your product, but your customer just decreasing and continuing to decrease. So you can use like this, which means it's continue to decrease, not increase or not stop, right? So you can use the situation like this. You can use IPPOU. 減る一方だ. This means continuing to decrease. Even you advertise your products in so many channels. Thank you very much for watching my video clip. And please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next time. ありがとうございました。